Welcome back to another Instant Food Review. Today we're trying tortilla pizza rolls, Hellfire Club, spicy pepperoni. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, we're in the process of cooking the pizza rolls in the air fryer. It takes 5-10 minutes, so we're gonna let it run. We got like 5 more minutes. We're gonna check them. These are supposed to be new. I went to Kroger's, I don't know what it is in your area, and they had them on sale for $5.99 for I think like 30 count. But they got two different kinds. They got the spicy pepperoni, and then they have one that I think it's just cheese. So we'll try that next. But let's see how it goes. Can y'all give me some kind of advice on like what kind of rating scale I could do? Like 1 out of 10 or the S method, like S is top, I guess the best, and then A would be the worst, or vice versa. Just let me know in the comments. But alright, y'all stay with me. When it gets done, we'll get started. Alright y'all, so let's get started. As you can see, this is in the air fryer. They're nice and golden brown. See, it's got the cheese popping out the side. So, like I said, these are called tortilla pizza rolls, Hellfire Club edition, spicy pepperoni. They're new. I bought them in my local grocery store called Kroger's. I know some places it's called Fred's or whatever, I don't know. So let's try it. It's hot. Nice and full. Burnt my lip. Let's see how spicy they are. A nice little crunch. I cooked these in the air fryer for, it said 10 minutes, but I cooked it for 5, and I think they're perfect. They got the right amount of crunch. It's hot. Like, ow hot. They fill it up really good. There you go. It's pretty full. It's got pepperoni, cheese, pizza sauce. Tell you, it has the right amount of kick to it. Like, it's just a little bit, but it's not overpowering. Like I said, it's a nice little bite by size. I mean, I'm sure everybody likes that pizza rolls, but it's got a nice little pow, like boom. Great, yo. It's awesome. I like it. I'm gonna give my rating 1 out of 10. But if anybody come up with suggestions on any new rating scales I can do, please let me know. Like I said, for air fryer at 5 minutes at 400 degrees, it's perfect. Perfect crunch. Perfect temperature. So perfect flavor. So with that, overall, I'm gonna give that a 9. The taste, for it being spicy pepperoni, it's got the right amount of pepperoni, it's got the right amount of cheese, the right amount of spicy kick. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give that a 10. So my overall rating altogether for the size of the bag and the price is $5.99. It was on sale. The original price is $7.99, so it's kind of expensive, but if you catch it on sale, it's a good deal. I mean, $7.99 is still not bad. For the size of the bag, I mean, I didn't see no bigger size like Kroger brand. They got bigger, like 80 count. I didn't see that in this, so. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and overall rate this at a 9.5. It's really good, nice spice, like I said. And we'll try the next ones out next time, so stay tuned for that video. And I want to take time and wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay safe out there on New Year's Eve. With that being said, as always, y'all, I appreciate all your love and support. Please smash that like button. Please share this video out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what I can do to make it better to interact with you guys, or any suggestions, or if you'd like to send me anything to try, DM me on Twitter at HensleyParanor1, HensleyPA, I think it's PARNOR1. I think that's it. It might be Hens Paranor. Or just leave it in a comment here and I'll read it. That being said, as always, appreciate y'all and peace.